So here we have with us Mr. Chandresh from Fermenta. Mr. Chandresh, have you thought of availing complete data center management services?
Before I answer your question, um, the traditional approach that is taken in the technology space regards to the data center management is that most of the companies try and take that approach, or rather do a in-house kind of a setup and also try and manage the entire show. What is more important as we grow forward is that most of these technology components, from infrastructure level to application level to service levels, are getting portable, or I would say containerized. Having said that, the technology investment that I am doing today might not be very relevant for in next 6 months to a year. So the answer that I would want to give for your question is that yes, I would like to move on to a service levels or area where the entire data center managed solution is available, where as a customer I don't have to manage my team or the investment. I would like to concentrate more on strategic initiatives, and rest of the management in terms of any upgrades or regular monitoring or any new projects, I can leave it to the professionals.
So what do you think about industry looking towards cloud?
So I think cloud is next big thing. There's no doubt about it. Startups are the ones who've taken the biggest leap forward. Traditional companies having a type of legacy behind them have to take few steps at a time. They can't jump into the cloud. So most of the enterprise usually look at certain areas, convert certain workloads to cloud. Again, having said that, in cloud again you have variety of clouds available, starting from public, private, hybrid. Forward going, most of the enterprise have now realized that there is a potential to convert their existing loads, to start with the non-critical ones, to the public cloud, and as they realize the business benefits or the ROIs, they would also look at certain critical applications which can be moved to cloud. Now the preference of either the public cloud or the private cloud remains with the customer, depending on what kind of compliance or what kind of industries are they looking at.
What are the standards that you're looking for or expecting in cloud?
I think the biggest concern with the advent of cloud is the customer lock-in or the infrastructure lock-in. Now once I move to a certain service provider, moving out of that service provider to a new one is certainly a biggest issue. So what I am talking about is the portability. If I am able to port my existing workloads from my server room, from my data center to a one of the cloud service providers, maybe after a year I would want to evaluate and move on to some other cloud service provider. That exactly is a problem as of today, that the portability part is still missing. So the traditional approach available today is that I have to take the resources from the cloud, put it back to the in-house data center, and then move back to a new cloud service provider.
Alright, so that's it from our side. Thank you.
Thank you.